going to start with the snowmen here. This is a black buttercream, tip number 5. And what I do is I go at the top and I squeeze, and then I come down here, squeeze, and then come all the way around. Okay, and then you go to a smaller tip, tip number 2 for the eyes. Just dots for the mouth. These two little buttons. For the hat, we put a little bit of red for a red band on the hat. This is just a tip number 5. Like that. For a scarf, we want to wrap this around this way. Wiggle and come down to the side. It looks a little bit better. And then I take green, tip 352, and do a couple little sprigs of holly. Okay. Then put one little berry leaf right in the center. Not berry leaf, a little berry. Not a berry leaf, a berry. And there they are, cute little snowman Petit Fours. Our reindeer are about ready. So what we want to do for the reindeer, we want to do eyes. This is white, tip number 3. Okay, and then we've got the black. Tip number 2. I like to give them eyebrows. And then I give them a red nose like Rudolph. Okay, then we need the chocolate buttercream again. So this is the bag I used earlier. Just grab a coupler, and let's see, I've got a tip number 2 or 3. A 2. And we want to make a smile, so we're going to use this for the mouth. So this is a lighter chocolate color. Okay, all right, now the next step is inserting those ears. So what we want to do is take any kind of tool, toothpick or anything, and at the top just make a little hole on either side. If we don't do that, then the chocolate will just break when we try to place it in there. And it might break anyway sometimes. So we just peel these off. They're so cute. Yep, that one just broke. Okay, so then we'll take our green again, make a little holly. So it's just a leaf tip, 3 little leaves, and then one little holly berry in the center. And voila, those are our little reindeer Petit Fours, just like that. Now a simple way to do Petit Fours with buttercream would be the same tip, the 352, and just do the holly sprig. So I'm squeezing, wiggling the tip a little bit, and do about 3 of those, and then just 3 little berries, buttercream berries in the center.